Hello, my name is Zach Gibson, and today I will be giving a quick screencast on my PSA regarding juuling and vaping. Obviously, I decided to make my focus juuling because it is very prevalent in my community. I live in a fraternity here at the University of Idaho called Sigma Nu, and just for example, I would say at least 75% of my house has a Juul or some other type of e-cigarette device. I just don't think that this generation understands that it is the problem that it is, and I think a PSA in order to limit the usage of Juuls is certainly something that this community needs. The biggest focus of my PSA was to keep it very simple and very focused, and not a big jumble of information. I kept it to what a college student would want to read, just a couple lines right here. I kept it to these 4 lines with 4 or less words. This simplicity is like what I said, what I thought a college student would be most willing to read, and I think that's the most important part of my PSA. I made sure that the colors and fonts of the PSA were dark, as you see the dark background with black and white lettering only. I made this because I want to show the fear that I want to instill in the audience. I want them to truly understand the dangers of juuling. The entire focus of the PSA is to spread the word that there are dangers present in juuling, and while they are better than smoking a cigarette, it is still a very dangerous device and very addicting. The large, menacing image of the Juul in the background is meant to ensure that the audience cannot miss the point of the PSA. It is the center of attention and the first thing you notice, and is meant to make Juuls look scary and intimidating. Juuling is definitely an issue on this campus as well as across the country and needs to be lessened and or stopped. I put these phrases on alternating sides of the PSA in order to just keep it with a more balanced look and feel. I didn't want it to look like it was just a bunch of information stacked up together. I wanted it to look as if it was like a billboard, something that you would easily read. Finally, the ultimate goal of any PSA is obviously to spread a message and call the audience to action. I really just want to scare the audience and show them that this is something that we need to change. This is our age group. This is our people, our friends. We need to make this change. At the bottom of the PSA, I put a link to a 5.5-minute video regarding the dangers of juuling, just so that a kid could click on it and get a little more informed. Overall, I tried to keep my PSA short, sweet, and simple, and I think I accomplished that goal. I hope you consider my PSA and maybe stop juuling. Thank you.